How to plan a cooking date at home, a recipe for romance and fun. Planning a cooking date at home can be a delightful way to bond with your partner while enjoying the art of food. With some thoughtfulness and preparation, it can become a perfect blend of romance, fun, and shared creativity. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to plan a memorable cooking date at home. 1. Select the right recipe together. The recipe you choose will set the tone for the entire date. Opt for something you both enjoy or are excited to try. Whether it's Italian pasta, sushi rolls, or homemade pizza, the key is to pick a dish that matches your combined skill level. If one of you is more experienced, selecting a slightly challenging dish could be a great learning opportunity. Cooking something new together also adds excitement to the experience. It's also a good idea to plan for appetizers, a main course, and a dessert, but keep the menu manageable to avoid stress. 2. Gather all the ingredients in advance. A smooth cooking date begins with proper preparation. Once the recipes are chosen, make a grocery list of all necessary ingredients. Buying everything in advance ensures you won't need to make last-minute runs to the store. For an even more special touch, buy some premium ingredients you wouldn't usually indulge in, like truffle oil, artisanal cheeses, or fresh herbs. This can elevate the meal and make it feel like a real treat. 3. Create the perfect ambience. Setting the mood is essential for a romantic cooking date. Use soft lighting, such as candles or string lights, to make the space cozy. Music is also important. Curate a playlist of mellow, upbeat tunes to play in the background. This will keep the mood light and help you both relax. To enhance the experience, ensure the kitchen and dining area are tidy and organized. A clean space makes cooking more enjoyable and gives you room to focus on your partner. 4. Plan the cooking process as a team. Cooking as a team is a great opportunity to bond, so divide the tasks thoughtfully. Assign roles based on each other's strengths and preferences. For example, if one person is great at chopping vegetables while the other enjoys seasoning, align the tasks accordingly. If both of you are comfortable with cooking, switch roles throughout the date to make it more interactive. Communication is key. Make it fun by explaining steps to each other or experimenting with new flavors. 5. Add fun and flirty moments. The beauty of a cooking date is that it allows room for playful interaction. While working on the meal, take breaks to share a glass of wine, sneak in a few kisses, or engage in light banter. Cooking together is about more than just food, it's a shared experience that creates memories. If there's downtime while the food is cooking or baking, use it to enjoy each other's company. You could play a quick board game, have a mini dance-off, or just relax with some appetizers you've prepared. 6. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. Once the meal is ready, set the table and enjoy your homemade feast. To make the dining experience special, use your best dishes, light candles, and pour your favorite drinks. Sit down, savor the food you created together, and take time to appreciate the effort both of you put into the meal. 7. End on a sweet note. After the main course, indulge in a dessert you either prepared earlier or make it together during the date. This could be as simple as chocolate-dipped strawberries or a more elaborate molten lava cake. Ending with dessert ensures the night feels complete and leaves a sweet memory. 8. Clean up as a team. Cleaning up might not sound like the most romantic activity, but it's a good way to wrap up the evening and show teamwork. Share the responsibility so neither of you feels overwhelmed, and perhaps turn on some music to make it more enjoyable. Final thoughts. A cooking date at home offers the perfect opportunity to connect with your partner while enjoying delicious food. By planning the meal together, creating a cozy ambience, and adding playful elements, you can transform a simple evening into a memorable romantic experience. Most importantly, it's not about perfection, it's about having fun and spending quality time with each other. So, get your aprons on, pick up those kitchen tools, and enjoy every moment of your at-home cooking date.